In this video we're going to differentiate tan of x. So remember our unit circle of radius 1. So this has a radius of 1. The height here is sine of x. This length here is cos of x. So tan is really sine divided by cos. It's really sine divided by cos. So we've already seen this, and also we can use Pythagoras on this. So this square equals this squared and this squared. So I'm expecting you to know this by now. Okay, so we're going to use the quotient rule to differentiate tan of x. So remember the quotient rule. This is your v, and this is your u. So you've got one function divided by another function. So if you're trying to differentiate one function divided by another function, what you do is you keep the v the same. So hang on. So you keep the v the same. So you keep the v the same. So that would be, hang on, that would be cos squared of x. And then you keep the v the same. So that would be cos of x. Cos of x. And then you differentiate the u. So you've got to differentiate this. You've got to differentiate this. Okay, you've got to differentiate that. So when you differentiate sine, it will be cos of x. And then you take away, and then you differentiate the v. So this is our v here. We've got to differentiate this v here. So that will then give us minus sine of x. And then you keep u the same. So you keep u the same. You keep u the same. So you keep u the same. So you keep u the same. So now it's just a matter of tidying this up. So now you've got cos x times cos x. So that would be cos squared. So that would be, hang on. So that would be cos squared of x, and then a negative and a negative, that would be plus, and then sine squared of x over cos squared of x. So now this, you're supposed to be able to recognize this. You're supposed to recognize this. So that is really 1 here. That's 1. So this whole block here will then become 1. Will then become 1 over cos squared of x. So when you're trying to differentiate tan, the dy by dx would be this thing here. So when you differentiate tan of x, it would be 1 over cos squared of x. Okay, try to memorize this if you can. Okay, try to memorize it.